How to log in to Garena account. So if you want to log into your Garena account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Garena, and after searching here you will have login option. Click on that login, and now it will take you to the login page. So to log into your Garena, first you need to enter your username of your Garena, or you can enter your email address, or you can also enter your mobile number. So you can choose any one of those options. And after entering that, here you need to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then here you will have forgot password option. You can click on this option, and then you can enter your email address, and you will get some instructions to your email address to reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password, and then you can simply click on login, which is here, and then you will be logged into your account. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for create account, which is here, and then you can create your account. But if you want to log in, then enter your information and then click on login, and you'll be logged into your Garena account. So that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.